we're trying out a new liquid liner today. This one is from the brand Hipdot. I received this, I saw it like HP, and I was like, what is HP? What brand is HP? Oh my god. And then I saw, I'm like, okay, Hipdot. And I have heard about this brand because I receive it either in Ipsy or BoxyCharm. This retails for $18. This is a dual-ended pencil, so it's a black kohl and liquid liner. I use liquid liners every day. I love reviewing them. They do have this also in brown, if I'm not mistaken. I will try to list it down below in the description. Really check it out. And I want to see how well this is going to work, like on top of like different formulas. Like I have some shimmer right now, so I just want to check it out and see. I'll also use the black kohl liner. This is what the product looks like. Hipdot's liquid and kohl eyeliner allows for a thin and thick liner application with our unique formula and design that provides a long-lasting formula and a creamy smooth texture. Kohl eyeliner all in one. Create a precise long-lasting eye look with just one product on the first application. Dual purpose for a thin to thick liquid or kohl eyeliner application. So it says it's long-lasting, smooth, soft, and it won't smudge. And we will see about that. Also can be used on waterline and lid for a precise look. Vegan, talc-free, paraben-free, mineral oil-free, phthalates-free, animal test free. The product is made in China. This is what the packaging looks like. So let me quickly show you here. So I think because this packaging is white, like it can get pretty dirty. So this is what your liquid liner looks like. I know there it looks like gray or something, so we'll definitely have to see how it shows up. I will swatch it first before applying it to the eyes. This will be our kohl eyeliner. So you see you get a nice amount there. Be very careful, these are very thin. I like that it's a twist up instead of like sharpening. So first I'm gonna go ahead and do the swatches. Let's see. Okay, so this color, what color does it say? This is midnight black. So it is black, but I've definitely had darker. Like I don't think this is like super dark black. Now let me go ahead and swatch for you the kohl eyeliner. I even think that this is too much, like it will break. So let me just like put it here. And of course you can do it as thick or as thin as you want. I'm not very precise, like my hand shakes. Definitely want to see how this is gonna work. Have to update you after also, like how did it work throughout the day. I think it says it's waterproof, did it? It just says long lasting and it won't smudge. I'm just gonna start placing it here in the center. Right now it's working really well. I've had no problem. It feels kind of like cool. Is it cool? I don't know. I'm being very careful here in the inner corner. Okay. Let's see. Since in the inner corners where I have like the shimmer, I'm just seeing if it performs the same. Go. Alright, I think that was pretty smooth there. I don't know. I'm trying like all different ways to do this wing. Hold on. It does look pretty dark, right? Even though in the swatch it wasn't like the blackest black. I feel like it's looking fine. This is the side that is going to give me a harder time because I'm a lefty, so this is easier for me. But here might be a struggle, so fast forward and don't expect my lines to look the same. I'm trying here. I feel like this one is here, this one is higher. I might just stop there, but it works really fine. I just have to make sure that this doesn't smudge or anything throughout the day. So now let's go in with this kohl eyeliner. Just gonna place it in the waterline and then I will smudge it. So okay, just gonna take some more out. Okay, sure. So you could bring it lower if you would want. I literally just placed it in the waterline. Seemed to work great. You see, no tugging anything. And I do want to take a small brush, maybe something like this, like a pencil brush, and try to like, I want some, maybe I'll take some of this. Ideally, I would put some like black eyeshadow. What I'm basically doing is setting this color, okay? So it doesn't move or anything. I don't have any black eyeshadow here. I wasn't thinking since I'm making so many videos today. But ideally, I would want a black shadow just to smudge that or set it in place. By the way, I love a dual eyeliner. I really do. This is super convenient. I do my waterline with a black pencil. I think that like makes your brown eyes pop. I don't know. Really, like when I put it, people ask me like, oh, do you have contacts or something? I'm like, what? Everything worked well. Showing you here. It's really easy to work with. Check out the comments because I'm gonna update you how this wore throughout the day. I think $18 is a really good price for 2 products you're getting. So the packaging is nice, it's different. I don't really see a lot of like liquid liners and white packaging. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I will also leave a playlist of all the liquid liners that I have reviewed if you would like to watch.